Ugh, that's disgusting. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Tonight what we're going to look at is we're going to look at our dishwasher right here. It's been making a rattling sound every now and then when we run the dishwasher, and plus we haven't cleaned the filter out, so I'm going to show you where the filter is, how to clean that out, and how to check for any loose objects in your dishwasher. Alright, the first thing we're going to do is we're going to open up the dishwasher. We're going to take the shelves out. We're going to set those to the side. Gonna get them out of our way. Let's see how we get these out. Look to me like they just pull those out. Slide this out of there. Get that out of the way. Alrighty. Now that these are out of the way, gonna go to the top. Alright, let's see if we can't get this to come down. Got little clips up here. You can just bend them a little bit and it comes right out. Here's a little clip here and a little clip there. And this should unplug from down here at the bottom. And that unsnaps right there. And you'll see where the little clips are. Here's a clip here and here's a clip here. Clips here. And it just unpops from right here. Set that to the side. Now this part here is going, we're going to need a pair of pliers. And this, just spin it and it comes right out of there. And there that is. Alrighty. And here is the screen. This is the first screen anyway. Let's see. This goes just like this. You turn it clockwise. When you turn it clockwise, and then it just lifts straight up. And now we have this part here, which we're going to leave that there. This pops right in there, like so. That just pulls straight up. Now we've got to get, looks like a T25 or so. Not sure which T that is, or star. So let me go get some more tools and we'll take that out. I'm going to pull this straight up, just like this. And look, that don't look too dirty. But here's the screen. You can see it's got a few pieces in it, but we'll go ahead and clean this up in the sink while we got it. Let's take a look at what all we have down in there. All right, we're gonna pull this screw out right here. And this is the part that chews up whatever food gets in and out of here. So this ought to be interesting to see what it looks like. Let's see. There's a screw or something down in there. Some kind of screw. I don't know what that is. But this is the part that's usually disgusting. So we're fixing to find out. I'm gonna dry some of this water out of here. That is disgusting. There we go. Ah, there we go. That's disgusting. But that is what chops up the food. That's the part that chops up all the food. And you got stuff like this hung down in there. That's cool. Plastic on it. All kinds of stuff on there that shouldn't be. All kinds of stuff. Okay. This will not reach. We'll spray from there, rinse that off good. Clean all this out here. And vacuum it out one more time. Wipe everything down, try to put it back together. Make sure there wasn't nothing hung in there, but we found this hung in there. That's some kind of screw. And I'll tell them what it came off of. Okay. There's that. Put this back. All right, now we'll start putting everything back together. This goes here, like so. And there's 4 screws holding this together. But we've looked down in here and we've seen no telling how long that screw's been down in there. No telling. Now, okay, that's on there. Now, clip in these top ones here. there, that one clipped in. If you want to see how these are clipped in right there, you can see on the side, they just clip them in and they just snap in. And that's there. And the top is the same way. That's that. Let's start putting it all back together now that we got this big chunk of metal out of there. Well guys, that's a wrap on how to clean your KitchenAid dishwasher. That's how you check the filter on it and clean it out. Thank you guys for watching. Please like and subscribe if you like this video. There's many more. This is not how to do it. This is how I do it. If you like the way I do it, you can try it yourself. It may work for you. It works for me. Thank you for watching. Have a good day.